how to create a birthday shoutout story on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Your Instagram profile will open up. Tap on the plus icon at the top. Now, tap on Story. Then, tap on Camera. Next, tap on the Create option. From here, you can choose a background color for a birthday shoutout story. Tap on the color palette icon to switch between colors that your friend might like for the shoutout story. Now comes the main part. Tap on the shoutouts icon. From here, you can create a birthday shoutout story. Let's learn how to create one. Tap on the @ box to mention your birthday friend. Type their Instagram name or username. Then the user will appear in the list below. Tap on their profile to mention them. Once mentioned, their profile photo and yours will appear together, accompanied by a happy birthday message along with their username displayed at the top. You can further customize and make your story attractive. From here, you can add more text, stickers, or even birthday music. For example, tap on the music icon, then tap on the search bar. Type Happy Birthday and search for it. Select and tap on a birthday song to add to your shoutout story. Now change the appearance as you like. You can choose vinyl record, which is the default option, different music cards, or set it to none. I will set it to none. After that, drag the colorful box to the best part of the song that you want to include in your shoutout story. Once satisfied, tap Done. Finally, tap either your stories or your story button available at the bottom to post it and make your story visible to your followers and your birthday friend. As you can see, my recent birthday shoutout story has been posted. Tap on it to view and boom! You have successfully learned how to create a birthday shoutout story on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.